Narrator, ever tried to set up Venmo and run into a roadblock? Yeah, I've been there too. You're excited to join the digital payment revolution, but Venmo seems to have other plans. Today, we're diving deep into the mystery of why Venmo might be rejecting your phone number. Hook. Quick montage of people trying to sign up for Venmo, frustrated faces. Narrator, you've entered your name, email, and password. You're ready to link your bank account. But then, the dreaded message, your phone number is invalid. What gives? Building context. Visuals of a phone screen showing the Venmo app, error message highlighted. Narrator, before we dive into the troubleshooting, let's understand why Venmo might be so picky about your phone number. Security, Venmo uses your phone number as a primary identifier. It's a way to verify your identity and protect your account from unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication, your phone number is often used for two-factor authentication, 2FA, an extra layer of security that requires a code sent to your phone to log in. Payment verification, Venmo might use your phone number to verify payments, especially larger transactions or if there's suspicious activity on your account. Troubleshooting. Visuals of someone checking their phone, typing in their number, and clicking submit. Narrator, now, let's get to the heart of the matter, why your phone number might be getting rejected. Incorrect format, double-check that you're entering your phone number in the correct format. It should typically be in the format, +1, country code, area code phone number. Carrier restrictions, some carriers might have restrictions or limitations on using certain phone numbers with apps like Venmo. Contact your carrier to see if there are any issues. Account age, if your phone number is relatively new, Venmo might need more time to verify it. Wait a few days and try again. Account suspensions, if you've had previous issues with your Venmo account, it might be temporarily suspended. Check for any notifications or emails from Venmo. Technical glitches, sometimes there are temporary technical issues with Venmo's servers. Try again later or check Venmo's social media for any announcements. Tips and tricks. Visuals of someone trying different phone numbers, looking frustrated. Narrator, if you've tried the above and still can't get Venmo to accept your phone number, here are a few additional tips. Try a different number. If you have an alternative phone number, try using that. Contact Venmo support. Reach out to Venmo's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide specific guidance. Consider a VPN. While not guaranteed, using a VPN might help bypass any carrier restrictions or regional issues. Check for carrier updates. Ensure your carrier's network is up to date and there are no known issues affecting your service. Conclusion. Visuals of someone successfully setting up Venmo, smiling. Narrator, dealing with Venmo's phone number rejection can be frustrating, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, you should be able to resolve the issue. Remember to check for common mistakes, contact Venmo support if needed, and be aware of potential carrier restrictions. Call to action. Narrator, have you encountered similar issues with Venmo or other payment apps? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Closing. Narrator, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.